In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen on Google Meet using your laptop. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate Google Meet with ease, so whether you're in a meeting or giving a presentation, you'll know exactly how to utilize the full screen feature to enhance your experience. Let's get started. First things first, open your internet browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing Google Meet into your search bar or simply go to the direct link meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Sign In. You will need to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Make sure to enter your account details accurately. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the one you want to use for your meeting. After successfully logging in, the next step is to initiate a new meeting. You will find the New Meeting button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on this button to proceed. You have several options for starting your meeting, but for our purposes, select Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately create a virtual room for you to work in. Now that your meeting is live, it's time to share your screen. Look for the Share Screen button, which is typically found at the bottom of the meeting interface. Click this button and you will be prompted to choose which screen or window you would like to share. Select the appropriate option and proceed by confirming your choice. Once your screen is being shared with meeting participants, you may see a pop-up or notification titled Show My Screen Anyway. This is Google Meet's way of ensuring that you really want to share what you're displaying. Go ahead and confirm by clicking the button. As soon as your screen is actively sharing, you'll notice an additional pop-up prompting you to enter full screen. This is the key to taking full advantage of your display space. Click Enter Full Screen to maximize the visual experience for both you and the meeting attendees. If, at any point you wish to exit full screen, it's quite simple to do so. All you need to do is click again, usually at the same spot where the full screen option appeared, and you will return to the regular view. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently use the full screen feature in Google Meet, making your meetings more visually engaging and productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.